Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you 3 great websites full of free assets that'll help you with your design with lighting, shading, and all that stuff. So the first one we're going to look at is Blend Swap. Just a heads up for this one, it is sort of a subscription thing, but you get 21 free downloads a month. And from what I've found, that's more than enough. At least for me, I don't want to assume what your process is. So we have all these different categories of 3D printable access, animals, appliances. In the search, you can look up things such as shaders. And you have a bunch of free shaders. You got a cloud shader. You have a lot of cool stuff. I'll show you one of my renders that I did with a couple of these. This render right here was made with 2 different shaders that I got from the website for absolutely free, and they look photoreal. They're really amazing. So you get a lot of cool stuff from here. Again, 21 a month. You can upgrade that if you're a freelancer or you work for a studio. There are some cool things. $5 for 24-hour access, all that stuff. $10 a month, $80 a year. It's pretty affordable, I think. Okay, so the next one is very similar to Blend Swap, but this one's not Blender specific. This one's just 3D specific. So if you say type in car, then you have right here for price, just click free. You have all these free cars. And then for formats, I always pick OBJ. You can't go wrong with OBJs. And now you have tons of free car models that you can use in your designs, and it's really great stuff. There's thousands and thousands of models on this website that you can use. All right, so the last one is HDR Eye Haven. It's obvious what this one's about. It's HDR Eyes. So it's all completely free. Let's just say we'll click this one, and you have 16K, 8K, 4K, 1K. So you can pick what size you want for your designs if you don't want to overload the size of your file. But there are tons and tons of really high quality HDR Eyes for you to use. I've used them for all my designs. They're really great, high quality stuff. So that's it. Those are the 3 websites that you can use. I hope these help you out with your stuff, with your client work and whatever. And yeah, thanks for watching.